What's that square-shaped hole doing in the sun? I'm Jen Markham with Buzz 60 on Yahoo. It's a pretty surprising sight. NASA Solar Dynamics Observatory recently discovered this dark, square-shaped patch on the bottom of the sun, which is actually a hole in the sun's outer atmosphere. Known as a coronal hole, it's an area of the sun's surface where open magnetic field lines head way out into space, and where solar wind streams off the sun faster than usual. The area appears dark because the video is captured in ultraviolet light, and the hole has fewer ultraviolet light-emitting particles. Although a hole in the sun sounds like a scary concept, coronal holes aren't uncommon. In January 2011, the Solar Dynamics Observatory also captured images of this hole that formed right around the sun's center. And last July, a gigantic hole appeared over the sun's north pole, measuring around 400,000 miles across, more than 50 Earths wide, appearing to cover nearly a quarter of the sun. NASA says the hole's location, size, and frequency changes with the sun's 11-year activity cycle. And while solar wind from coronal holes can sometimes affect satellites and communications, NASA scientists say because this hole is positioned so far south, the solar wind stream will likely not have any effect on Earth. On Yahoo, this is Buzz 60.